Hi everybody, I'm back for another video. I had a few things arrive today that I had been thinking about for quite some time. So one of them came from Amazon, and of course it's Amazon, so it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. But of course it wasn't, so I had to wait an extra day. And this one I was expecting today. So let me pull this one out first. So I had ordered from Charming Plans. If you know who that is, you're in the know. But she makes amazing charms, and I hadn't really ever found any that I felt were my aesthetic. Usually a lot of the charms that you see are like, you know, beautiful crystals and pinks and blushes and all of that. Here, I'm gonna have to pause for a second. The children are at the base playing. Hey, you two, Kitty, Lila, Seamus, what are you doing? Why must you do that every time I film? Every time I film. I know. Okay, let's go find you something to do. Sorry for that interruption, but from Angie at Charming Plans, here is her card. Sorry, there's a little bit of a glare. And you can hear Kitty still. And there's her. And what I love is you can use this to, since it's plastic, to put washi on. That's a really nice card. But what I got, oh no, here they are. I got a Jack Skellington face with some Halloween-inspired beads, and Sally and some beads. Or actually, I think those are on Jack. Yeah. And the reason I got them is to put them inside of my Filofax, which I have set for... I've never had anything like this before, so I'm not sure what to do. I have this thing stuffed as well, because it's a Filofax tiny rings. Let me see, do I put them up here? See, I've never done this before. Okay, so of course the children are still playing. Do I put them just around one side? Do I? Here, wait, let me flip this over. I'm always afraid I'm gonna pinch my fingers because I have so much stuff in there. There. So you can see there's Jack, there's Sally, and the cute little, see if you can see those. So am I official now since I have my cute little charms at the bottom of my Filofax? Those are adorable. I mean, this thing stays at home 90 to 99% of the time. And so what I can do then, because I didn't want to stick this on anything yet. So we'll do that. Oh, I'm so sorry you just got bumped by the children that are playing. I'm gonna have to pause again, just one moment. I love them, but they drive me crazy sometimes. Okay, so I have that perfect for my October setup in my planner. Now, what I ordered from Amazon came in this box here. So I ordered this from Amazon, and it's the same company that I've ordered some of the Traveler's Company Faroof-inspired zipper pouches. Okay, I'm just gonna have to cut it because I can't figure out how they did that. There it is, I think. She's trying to get up here. This little kitty, she's persistent, if not nothing. Yes, I know. You need to stay away from pointy objects. Girl. She is just Usually she's sleeping this time of day. Here, you want this? You want this? You want this? Go get it. And there she goes. That'll probably keep her occupied for 5 seconds. But the reason we're here is because of this box. Oh, and there's a box inside of the box. I have always wanted a Gillio in the passport size or the standard Midori size. And after seeing Planner Mumsy's video where her notebook came to her destroyed, like destroyed, that made me decide, okay, I'm never ordering a Gillio because it didn't come wrapped in plastic, there's so many things that just went wrong with her order. So, oh my goodness. We're gonna have to pause again. One moment. Okay, we're back. So, since the Planner Mumsy fiasco and I didn't want to order one, look, the fake one comes in plastic. Imagine that. They know. So, what this is a fake Gillio. It's made from leather. It actually has the beautiful pebbling that Gillio has. It has the grommets, it has the elastics. The only thing that's different is the elastic is coming out of the spine, while with the real Gillio, it comes off to the side. But this it came with 3 inserts. It came with a grid. It came with a lined, and probably a blank. Yes. And it came with a blank. It came with a craft folder. It came with a zipper pouch, an extra spine elastic, and a Midori style pen loop. All for $23. And since it's a copy of the Gillio, and it's actually really soft leather. It has a pocket here with 1, 2, 3, with 4 card slots, and it has a secretarial pocket. So, what I'm gonna do, and you can see since it is a Gillio, it is a little bit larger than the Midori. Oh, that's my monthly passport insert for next year. But look at that. Same height. The only thing that's different is the width. Let me get some IDs and stuff out of here. Okay. And actually, let me take everything out so you can see I've got my Grumpy Bear. And here, let me move there, Charms out of the way. We'll take Grumpy Bear out too, just so you can see the difference. So the gray is the fake Gillio, and this is my passport. So if you look, that is a good inch or so. I have my Tim Holtz ruler. There she goes. Actually, it's about 1.25 inches wider. And that's one reason that you can fit so much more inside the Gillio. So I'm going to set this up and we'll be right back. You can see someone is like, huh, what's on the table? We gotta figure it out. Here, come here, baby. Come here, come here. Daddy loves you. You know that. Just stay down. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back. So I have everything that was in here, plus an extra insert in my fake Gillio. So when you open it up, you can see the animals have joined us again because I pressed record. And they're running and jumping and playing. So we're gonna try to get through this as fast as we can. So I've got all of my IDs, my debit card, my AAA and union card and insurance card. Some cash back here. We have my folder with my writing board, which actually I think it might fit back here now. Hey, it does, and it looks really cute. I have my monthly insert, which actually, I'm gonna take the folder and put it around this. This is just a dot grid that I keep daily to-dos and grocery lists and stuff like that. The back of my folder. And then this is my 2020 monthly planner from Paper and Cats in the passport size. It has 2 pages of grid along with the month. 2 pages of grid and then the next month. So that way I can track bills and that type of stuff. So, and at the very end, there's 6 pages of grid. And then of course her cover page. And there is Taylor's paperandcats.com, or you can find her on Etsy, which I think that's where it takes you. And then the back. So that is going to be my little setup for a while. I'm gonna put this little thing through the test since it is not a real Julio, since it is a fake one. I want to see, you know, how it does. So I'm gonna use this for the next month. Give my beautiful passport that I had altered a rest, and I will give you an update on how she's doing. So I will link Charming Plans, and I'll see if I can find the link on Amazon for this. But there you go. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.